Y'all, don't fight with people over me because it's literally employees. You're either fighting with literal robots on the computer or people who are getting paid to fight with you. Anytime you want to fight with somebody over me, block them, because every time you get in a fight, all your followers are going to see and it's going to bring clout to that person. Block the person and do 30 seconds of research, do a tweet free bam. You know what? That is what's going to really make a difference. Defending me is not going to make a difference because I don't care what they say about me because I'm going to keep finding the truth. Okay. So I really appreciate y'all that like go and fight for me and stuff, but don't. If we are fighting with people and getting our blood pressure all raised up on the Twitter, we're failing our mission. Our mission is to bring light and truth to the world because the truth's on our side. The truth is not on their side. They have to do all these backflips and stuff. Okay. Don't worry with those people. Help investigate. Let's figure out what happened to Bam. I will say it is public record. Anyone in the United States can request this if you really want to, but I would encourage you to not do that because I think that that's not furthering our goal to be like giving out Bam Margera's like personal contact information and like his location where he actually like is. Because I don't know if it's a sinner or what. So I just wanted to be transparent with y'all. I have redacted this document, but I will make the redacted version available on the Google Drive below. And I want to tell you the only things I redacted were people's personal information. I also redacted Lima's phone number. To be clear, I redacted her number because I do not want anybody calling anybody. That is not the point of this live. The point of this live is to share public information that I think is safe to share, right? Not anybody's contact information. Okay. Yeah. Y'all know I don't really like redacting stuff. That's why I had to go on the whole spiel of it all because I truly do believe in transparency, but I felt like in this situation, I made an executive decision. Okay. Anyway, I do not tolerate violence. I don't either, to be honest, Lima. We agree on something. Before I go any further, disclaimer. Do not send any hateful don't even comment on the girl's video. Okay? If you're going over there because I sent you over there, don't say nothing mean. Just leave the girl alone in the comments, okay? Because what's going to happen is she's going to hold what y'all are saying, even though I'm telling you right now, don't do it. When people go do it, she's going to hold that against me. So I would, if y'all are going over there from this channel, you're kind of like going to be, whether I like it or not, going to be lumped in as my ambassador. So if you're going over there from here, or if you're just stumbling across this video, the point of this is not to leave comments on people's page, okay? Nobody's page needs to be leaving the mean comments and all that, all right? Y'all are grown and you can do what you want, but I'm asking you, please don't. Okay, all right. So before we get into any of that, wanted to get the little disclaimer. I don't encourage anyone to go to that channel, but if you want to go to his channel, you do you, but I can't personally endorse it, okay? And again, if y'all do go over there, do not put any comments about anything. Just go. I don't want to tell y'all what to do either, but I'm asking you to please not be all like, BJ said blah, 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 because they're going to try to use that against me because y'all already see how it's playing out, okay? The death threats and the 14,000 email. I don't even really believe that. But if y'all go over there acting crazy, then they're going to use it against me. That's the whole point. And I really don't want that to happen. All right. Anyway. You also see the information for David LeConte, which I have redacted, even though it is supposed to be public information. Now, the next page is entitled Incident Report Additional Name List. And of course, here you do see her name on the additional name list. We will get more information about Lima in the preceding pages, but I just wanted to show y'all each page of the report. I have redacted Lima's address, even though this is a publicly available police report. Anyone could get this information. Why did you say this, Vinny? Please, nobody do anything illegal. So basically, Vinny's saying Lima tried to say she would help him get gigs from the money he lost. Oh, okay. Interesting. I don't know about all that. But yeah, I definitely am not interested in hearing anyone's illegal anything. So do not send that to me because that's the last thing I need. As a gentle reminder, I do not have special access to these documents. Y'all can look these up yourself and you can see them yourself. So for that reason, I have decided not to include the address of the twins here on this video, but just to remind y'all, it is public information. Basically, I really want to just make the point very clear. No one's trying to assassinate anyone's character. I am reporting on, as Steve-O admitted and conceded, shit that's just out there. I'm just talking about stuff that's out there. It's commentary, okay? And I'm allowed to have opinions. Last time I checked, we still had a United States Constitution that allows me the First Amendment right to free speech and to report on the news, to report on things that I feel like talking about, to exercise my right to freedom of speech about public figures and issues of public concern. So I'm going to keep doing that. No one sent any hate to anyone mentioned in this video. Seriously, don't. There's really no reason to. And if you do, I'm sure they'll blame me for it, like they blame everything else on me. Who's a longtime family friend, started receiving threats over the summer and had to address it publicly. I always tell y'all, nobody send threats. It's not worth it. We have the truth on our side. And to be honest, it doesn't do anything but hurt me if y'all send threats, because y'all see that they blame it all, everything on me. I'm not even going to go into this whole Twitter. I'm going to just say, don't send hate to anybody mentioned in this video, etc., blah, blah, blah. I don't know if the allegations being made against Bam are true, but nobody sent any hate to anyone mentioned in this video. That's all I really had for today. In the meantime, a court judge was assigned to this case, which was Tanya Wilson. Now, these are public records and they are available to the public. I have not had the opportunity to really go through and redact any information that I personally don't feel comfortable sharing. So I'm probably not going to pull up the whole entire document here on the live. I will maybe take some screenshots of this document for right now purposes, and then on the BJ Investigates, I'll properly redact all the stuff that I personally want to redact. Again, I'm not hiding this information from y'all. If you really want to find it, you are able to find it. I don't have proprietary access to this. There's just some stuff in here that I personally just don't know fully if I feel comfortable sharing quite yet. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so she also filed this document with a court, and as you can see, it was filed under penalty of perjury on August 8th, 2021. Now, interestingly, the prompt on the form does say to put the place of birth, like where you were born, and Lima does not do that. Now, another thing we discussed yesterday is that Lima gave on this application a little bit of personal information. Now, again, none of this is private because this is a public court filing that I was able to procure as a member of the public. Anybody can get this document who has an internet connection. So she says on this form that she signed under penalty of perjury that I got as a public record that she graduated from Union High School in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And then they're going to harass and send threats. First of all, I tell y'all all the time, don't harass, don't send threats. Second of all, as far as Shannonography, I would still say y'all don't go and give any hate. Don't tell her nothing, because if you do, she's going to blame me and she's going to act like it's me that's sending y'all to do it. Whenever all I'm trying to do is give transparency to somebody that's been harassing and quite literally threatening me for months. This person has left hundreds, if not thousands of comments across the internet on various places lying about me, threatening me, directly threatened me and said that she would give me a blanket party. No, you won't, you unhinged, deranged lunatic. No, you will not. No, you will not. But it's not my intention to make anybody lose everything. As usual, don't send any hate to anybody mentioned in this video and all that. I don't even wish the worst for Lima or any of her people or any of that. The only thing I really want is the truth to come to light. And part of the truth is, why didn't Lima say the real cause of death from Amanda Rabb's autopsy report? Or, BJ is making people show up to so-and-so's house, or BJ is making people send threats, or so-and-so and so-and-so. And it's like, first of all, no, I'm not. That's a lie. But second of all, why don't y'all go after the people sending the threats? Because I'm not making nobody send nothing. There's no evidence that I've ever done that. And so that's kind of the argument that the judge was saying. Get the restraining order against the person who threatened you. I think I've made it very clear and very public that I do not condone that type of behavior. And so recently there's been other issues going on with, I don't know, I think there was a Discord created, and y'all might have noticed I never went into that Discord. There was a That Surprise Witness Reddit community created. I did not create it. It is not mine. Maybe Brian created it because he does own a company called That Surprise Witness LLC in Georgia. I don't like Discord. I want nothing to do with drama. I want nothing to do with disagreements, and I want nothing to do with discord. Pun intended. The name of the app is Discord. Do y'all know what the definition of discord is? Discord. Noun. Disagreement between people. I don't want nothing to do with no discord. Nobody send any drone. Nobody send any comment. Nobody send any hate. Please, for the love of God. Okay? Like, please, seriously, don't. Thank you. I've never told y'all to do it. Again, I just want to reiterate to everyone in case there's new people here. Please do not contact or send any messages, hateful or nice, to anybody that I mentioned in this video. I do not want you to contact anybody. I'm asking you to please not do so. We do not have to contact people to read things in the public record. I will not be directing anyone to contact anyone, and I have not done so. Just to reiterate. All right. I downloaded this video myself from the official public records portal of the Tulsa Police Department. Before the body camera footage is shown, I state, quote, "Please do not contact or attempt to contact any person mentioned in this video. If you would like to redress your grievances with your government or your public servants, please do so peacefully and cordially." And then I gave the minute mark. I'm calling call to action for Steve-O. Nobody send any messages. Nobody send any comments. Nobody send any hate. Nobody send any nice comments. Nobody even go over there. I never said I could say whatever I want. I am actually very careful about what I say. And what I say is always, do not contact anybody mentioned in this video. I do not condone or support harassment, hate, mean comments. I tell y'all, don't even go follow them. Don't even go check up on it. Yes, investigate, look into things, but don't contact people and harass them.